The maximum summer altitude of sun for a place of latitude 40 degree. Option A 63.5 degree, option B 53.5 degree, option C 43.5 degree, option D 73.5 degree. Okay, the maximum summer altitude of sun for a place of latitude 40. The equation for the maximum summer altitude is equal to 90 degree minus in bracket latitude of that place minus 23.5 degree. Okay, that is the tilt of earth. So 90 degree minus latitude of earth is, latitude of the current place is 40 degree. So 40 degree minus tilt of earth, that is 23.5 degree. Okay, then 90 degree minus 16.5 degree, the answer is 73.5 degree, that is equal to 73.5 degree. Okay, and our answer is option D.